Bonjour baddies, welcome back to my videos, problem number 18 of the 2023 AMC8. Greta Grasshopper sits on a long line of lily pads in a pond. From any lily pad, Greta can jump 5 pads to the right or 3 pads to the left. What is the fewest number of jumps Greta must make to reach the lily pad located 2,023 pads to the right of her starting point? I think Greta might accidentally get tired and then fall into the pond afterwards and then drown, but we won't talk about that before she reaches 2023. Okay, so since Greta can only jump 5 pads to the right, you might think, oh, well, Greta can just keep jumping to the right? But in that case, Greta will actually jump into the pond because 2023 is not fully divisible by 5. Well, womp womp Greta. But anyway, so we need to make a number out of the 3 pads to the left, because that's kind of why they told us this, to make 2023 divisible by 5. And the only ways that we can do that is if we get a number that ends in like something, so like x, 0 or x, 5. So in this case, we need to see what 3 can be added to, a multiple of 3, in order to create something that ends in a 0 or a 5. So let's look at the 0 first. Well, obviously we need to find a multiple of 3 that ends in a 7, and the closest one that we have, the smallest one, is 27, which is 9 jumps. Well, what about 5 then? If we have 5, we only need to jump 12 lily pads, which gets you 4 jumps, which means that that is less than the 9 one. So if we add 12 to the 2023, we get 2035, which is indeed divisible by 5. But if we add 27 to 2023, we get 2050, which is way too big. And we're trying to look for the fewest number of jumps. Greta is going to be taking a lot of jumps. But now that we have 2035, she is 2035 lily pads away from her destination, which means that we need to divide that by 5 to see how many jumps she can take to reach said destination. So you have 2035 divided by 5. 4, 20, 0, and then 35, so that's 7. 407 jumps. Then we add that to our original 4 jumps, which we were moving left in. Add that to 407, which is the number of jumps she's taking right, getting you 411, aka answer choice D. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye bye!